Hey everyone, it's Desiree, and I am here again with Paper Rose. Yes, we are still working on Christmas. Again, still loving Christmas cards. I think they're just beautiful, and they just make me smile. And we can always use a smile. For today's project, this is great for mass production. And I'm going to be using the Flourish Christmas Tree Metal Die Set and also the Crisp Christmas Sentiment Sheets by Paper Rose. Now, if you've got pattern paper or ink smush backgrounds or watercolor backgrounds, this is perfect for that. I'm grabbing one of the sentiments, and because it goes up underneath the protection sleeve, I'm going to use a Post-it to hold it so that it doesn't go crooked, because mine always do. And I'm also going to use my Memento black ink pen and go around the edges so that I don't have that white showing. This is a two-part die, and I dug into my stash for an inked smush background that I have. There are just days to clear my mind, and I just ink smush. I just get all kinds of backgrounds and just have fun with the process. And this is the result of one of those, and splatter. Who doesn't love to splatter? So I'm going to take the outline, the background die, and I'm going to die cut that first. And then I found this soft, this is actually Vintage Photo, and yes, speckled egg. I just know those colors on that one. And that's where the detail is going to be cut out. So I'm going to take those layers and I'm going to tape them together. I'm actually using a repositional tape. It's by Scotch, and I'm very much enjoying using this. Taping it in 3 areas, placing it down into the section that I'm looking for, and then I will run that through my die cutting machine as well. Removing all those bits, you can see they come out so easy, and it was one pass. I'm going to take that piece now and use my liquid glue to adhere it down onto that background, and I'm going to hold it using my reverse tweezers. And just making sure I'm hitting the areas so that nothing lifts up. I will be working on a standard A2 size card base, which is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, and it will be a top folding. I'm also going to be working directly onto the card base. No mats, no backgrounds, no ink blending. Just taking this piece and putting it right down onto our card base. I'm going to use some gold gems and just fill in the flourish. So where it's curling, where lines are meeting, just adding a few of those gold gems to give this tree a little sparkle. You could use multicolor gems. That would be absolutely gorgeous as well. So have fun with your colors. Have fun with what the background will look like. You can see how much that does show through this piece, but have fun with the two-tone look of your tree. I'm going to put my gems away before they go all over the place, because that's what happens. I'm going to grab my double-sided foam squares, and we are just going to cover up the background of this. Yes, I should have cut multiples of the cloud. It would have been a lot easier. I forgot. But we make do. We just keep going. But you can see how quick this card does come together. This is just going to sit in the center, and I'm going to use my sentiment and take that straight across as well. I'm going to add little squares on each side and then put a little bit of glue in the center as it rests across the tree. And it's funny, the way I put the gems, it's almost like it was meant for that sentiment. I did not plan that. And we're going to set that right there. And because the tree is up a little bit more, it looks like it's bowing over that, which I think just adds a little bit of charm to that. So a great card, if you're looking for those mass production cards that we do for the holidays, I think I've got your answer. But it's clean, it's simple, and it adds a lot of elegance to our holidays. Hope you enjoyed today's project as always, and the products that I used will be listed down below. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit that thumbs up and the bell for notifications when the next video is ready. Let me know how you like this and if you think that this is a great card for mass production, and is it something that you will think about for your holiday card making. Everyone, please enjoy your day. Have fun creating your art. But remember what's most important, always will be. Always be creative, guys. And I'll talk to you in the next one. Till then.